Find the value of x when x power x is equal to 42 power 3528. That is, find the value of x when you have x power x is equal to 42 power 3528. Now this problem, it could be seen that the left hand side has the expression of the form of like this, that is x power x. In this case, x power x, both, that is the power and the base, are the same. Whereas on the right hand side you could see that you have 42 power 3528, which are different. So since 3528 is much greater as compared to 42, then you got to reduce it. That is, you got to reduce this 3528, and that you could do by means of writing it like 42 power 2 times 1764, and by the exponent rule, that is a power b times c. That is when you have two powers in the two factors in the form of product in the power, then you could write it as like we have this power b, this b becomes the internal power, and c becomes the entire power, that is the whole power. That is, you could do it like a power b whole power c, or also like a power c whole power b. So by means of this particular expression, what you could do is that this, that is that 42 power 2 times 1764 as 42 square whole power 1764, as ironically 42 squared is also 1764. So this becomes 1764 power 1764, and this is equal to the left hand side, which we have is x power x. The base and the exponent on the left hand side is x, and the base on the exponent on the right hand side is 1764. So therefore, as you can equate the base to the base or the exponent to the exponent, and therefore you have your result implies that we have that since x power x is equal to 1764 power 1764, therefore this means that x is equal to 1764. So you see how easy it becomes by means of a simple algebraic manipulation, that how easy it becomes. That is, you just got to put a little stress on your brain and you have your answer. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you really enjoyed it, then please give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends, family and in your social circle. See you next time.